Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the unique tree screen in Heartopia. So in Heartopia, you can craft this unique screen like this that has a tree shape like this. I think so cute. But first, you need the furniture recipe of this tree screen. You can get the furniture recipe after you read the collection rewards. Sorry, I forgot for the with collections. Oh, you can unlock this recipe after you reach the 115 points at the bird watching diary collections like this. And after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench and then just choose the recipe, this one. And then in here you need timber, quality timber and roaming oak timber. So make sure you complete all the materials on here, and then next just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then just simply tap on craft like this. And just like that, you will successfully making the tree screen like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.